Create a zero blame zone around you for being the leader of your life. In my previous video, I had shared about how we keep on postponing leadership of our life, how we keep on living life continuously without taking complete ownership in the present. So today, I am going to share a tool which will help you not to do that. What generally happens is, if something goes wrong, most of us are ready with excuses, with blames. We find fault in others. We blame society. We blame our parents. We blame our education. Sometimes our bosses, our organization, maybe our team, and whatnot. The tool that I'm going to share today is called Zero Blame Zone. So you must create a zero blame zone around you. How will you create that? First of all, accept that you and only you are responsible for everything in your life. Take complete ownership of all your actions, results, situations, whatever happens. No blame game, no excuses. But one very, very important point. This tool is not just for you. You have to share it with your family, your core team, people who are most important for you. Tell them that you are creating this zero blame zone and you would like their support. You would like them also to join you in this zone. And tell them that anybody who is part of this zone has to take complete ownership of everything in their life. No excuses, no blames. Some will take you seriously. Some will be probably indifferent. Some probably will laugh at you. But you anyways have to start creating this zone. Start creating it. Walk the talk. And once people see that you are displaying these traits, they will eventually start following you. Remember, this zone will not be created overnight. It's going to be slow and steady process, but you have to be at it. And also you may consider sharing the other videos of Life Leadership Movement with them, for them to understand the bigger picture and the context of where you are coming from. And if you haven't seen the other videos, you also must check them out. This is how you start creating zero blame zone, where not just you, but others around you also start taking complete ownership and responsibility. This is how not just you become the leader of your life, but you start inspiring others also to become the leader of their life. This is Life Leadership Movement, and I am Garima Arora Kannan, inspiring you to take the charge of your life and be the leader of your life.